Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'll show you how to connect to a VPN in Windows, and I'll include a sample VPN setup to make it easy. If you are new to Mr. TechFox, be sure to subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, click the Start menu and open Settings by clicking the gear icon. Now click on Network and Internet. Then select VPN from the left-hand menu. Next, click on Add a VPN connection at the top. In the window that opens, you will need to fill in some details. For this example, we will use a sample VPN setup. In the section of VPN provider, select Windows built-in. Here you can see that a field of connection name. Name it something recognizable, like sample VPN. Now provide the server name or address. Here I'm gonna enter vpn.example.com. Remember that this is a sample server address. Your VPN provider will give you the real one. Now select the VPN type. Choose L2TP or IPsec with pre-shared key, or as instructed by your provider. In the field of pre-shared key, enter the key. Here I'm gonna enter the sample key. I'm saying it again that this is a sample key. Replace it with the real key from your VPN provider. Now, in the section of username, I'm gonna enter sample user. Use your own credential provided by the VPN service. After then, enter the sample password. Here I'm gonna use sample password. After filling in all details, click Save. Now, to connect to your VPN, just go on the VPN section in Settings. Find the sample VPN connection and click Connect. If the details are correct, you will be connected to the VPN. And that's it. You have successfully set up and connected to a VPN in Windows. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mr. TechFox for more quick tech guides. See you next time.